Okay, I'll just show you how to stream audio or play music from your mobile through the Bluetooth audio system in this 2016 Mercedes Benz C Class. So first of all, we find music, we go over to music. If you see at the bottom there, MB Bluetooth, that's already showing. Now sometimes on the Mercedes system it's quite funny. It doesn't always show up. Sometimes you have to tell the media system that you've got an audio device even though you've paired your mobile. How you do that is, you see here media, or I'll just put it, that's on Navi. So you see here you've got media like so. It says Bluetooth audio device paused. If I click up there, media, you see a little arrow next to it, and then click down and across to connect device, select connect device, and then you'll see there searching for audio. That's the one I want to connect, so I'll click OK there. Go back, click play. We'll turn this up. That was the worst case scenario though. Normally, or most of the time, it will have already connected, but that's kind of what you do. I'll just click back there, and again, you click on media. You just scroll through like so, but media, click down, connect device to the actual phone you want to connect. So you can also, if I'm going to answer the phone here and your passenger wants to play his music, you could select his music or her music or whatever pronouns you use these days. Select which phone theirs is and then just click on it, and then you'll listen to their music. That's how you do that.